Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. Today's topic EPUB and SART. In this tutorial we will learn operating procedure of EPUB and SART and how to do monthly test. I have already posted a video on GMDSS how to do daily and weekly checks. If you have not watched that video, I will provide in the link, you can watch. So let's start the video. This is SART. SART is the short form of Search and Rescue Radar Transponder, which is carried on all ocean going ships. Normally one SART is carried on each side of the ship for survival craft. When the SART is switched on, it goes on standby mode. It does not send out any signal on its own, but is triggered off by a signal of X-band radar. Once this SART trigger, it gives out a signal of 12 blip code on the rescue ship's radar, indicating its position. If the range of SART is normally 5 to 7 nautical mile, then it gives 12 blip code in the direction of the rescue ships. After that, once the rescue ship come closer approx 1 nautical mile, the blips turn into concentric arcs on the radar, and if the survival craft is less than 1 nautical mile of the rescue ships, the blips become concentric circle. The range of the SART also depends on the height at which the transponder is placed and the freeboard of the rescue ships. Now we will test the SART. As you can see, here is written on and test. To test, just pull down this knob without breaking this seal, and once you pull down and hold it, a light will indicate. That means it is working fine. So I push it down. As you can see, light is indicating. That means it is working fine. This is EPUB. EPUB is Emergency Position Indicating Radio Beacon. All SOLAS vessels are required to carry an EPUB, which shall be capable of transmitting a distress alert. It works on frequency 406 MHz. EPUB is a buoyant safe transmitter which can be activated either manually or you can activate automatically. This is 406 MHz EPUB. This EPUB uses Kospus SARSAT satellites. These satellites are low Earth orbiting satellites on polar path. EPUB is powered by a battery which has an expiry date, usually 3 to 4 years, and the battery should be replaced on expiry. Now we will test the EPUB. Testing procedure and distress procedure is written on its body, as you can see here. So now we will do test. As you can see, on the EPUB it's written ready test on. What you have to do, just push and hold the switch in test position for 15 seconds. Keep hands up. Test passed after one single flash only. So I am pushing this knob toward test for 15 seconds. A light will indicate. So this indicate a light and testing has been passed. Now release the switch and put the EPUB back into the bracket. So this is the procedure of how to do EPUB and SAR testing. Thank you so much guys to watch my video and subscribe my channel for more updates.